In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use watchlists on TradingView. If you've ever felt overwhelmed keeping track of multiple markets, a solid watchlist will keep everything in one place, so you can quickly scan what matters. We'll walk through creating a list, adding and removing symbols, organizing with sections, and switching between multiple specialized lists. All in a clear, simple flow. First, let's open your watchlist. On TradingView, look to the top right corner of the screen and find the bookmark-shaped watchlist icon. Click that to reveal your current list. To start fresh with your own setup, click the drop-down arrow next to the current list name, then select Create New List. Give it a clear, memorable name so you always know what it's for. This helps keep your workspace tidy and your attention focused. Now, let's add symbols. Click the pluses Add Symbol button and type the asset ticker you want to track. This could be a stock, a crypto pair, an index, whatever you follow. As you type, TradingView will show matching results, so you can pick the exact market you intend to monitor. If you change your mind or want to clean things up, removing a symbol is just as quick. Click the Tash button next to that symbol to take it off your list. Keeping your list lean ensures quicker scanning and fewer distractions. To make larger lists easier to navigate, organize them with sections. Click the three-dot menu and select Add Section. Name your section to group assets by theme, such as crypto or stocks. You can create multiple sections to mirror how you think about the market by sector, region, or strategy so your eyes land exactly where they should when the market's moving. Clear sections turn a long list into an efficient dashboard. If you follow different strategies or time horizons, using multiple lists can be a game changer. Create specialized lists like day trading or long-term, so each session starts with a relevant lens. When you need to pivot, use the drop-down menu at the top of the watch list to switch between your lists. This keeps your analysis clean and intentional without mixing short-term noise with longer-term ideas. That's it. Thanks for watching.